Hello students, we had already discussed about consistent or inconsistent equations and which kind of solutions will be there if two equations are given. So now you can be asked in the exam by giving two equations in objective kind of questions that which kind of solution of these equations or these equations are consistent or inconsistent. So we are taking some examples for that. See the first example, x minus 2y is equal to 0, and the second equation is 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. So if we want to know that which kind of solution will be there and the equations will be consistent or not, at the first level, first you have to check the ratio a1 upon a2 is equal to. So a1 upon a2 will be 1 upon 3. Now the second ratio b1 upon b2, that will be minus 2 upon 4, that will be minus 1 by 2. And the third ratio, so here there is no any constant, it means 0. So c1 upon c2 will be 0 upon minus 20. So we can observe that a1 upon a2, this ratio is not equal to b1 upon b2. Here a1 upon a2 is 1 by 3 and b1 upon b2 is minus 1 by 2. So they both are not equal. That's why we can say that there will be a unique solution and pair of lines will be consistent. Okay, now in the second equation, again a1 upon a2 is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Then b1 upon b2 is equal to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. And c1 upon c2 is equal to minus 9 upon minus 18. Minus minus cancel, 9 2 ja 18, so 1 by 2. You can see that a1 upon a2 is 1 by 2, b1 upon b2 is 1 by 2, and c1 upon c2 is also 1 by 2. It means what? It means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. And if all ratios are equal, it means infinite many solutions and pair of lines consistent. Now the third example. First we will write it in standard form. Now the first ratio is 1 by 2, here 1 by 2. Now b1 upon b2, b1 upon b2, 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. And c1 upon c2, minus 4 upon minus 12, minus minus cancel, 4 3 ja 12, it means 1 by 3. So you can see that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to C1 upon C2, because that 1 by 2 is equal, but 1 by 3 is not equal to that. Therefore, this is the condition of no solution. And if there is no any solution, it means no consistency. Inconsistent. Okay.